Welcome to QG Nature Products. Welcome from Senden, Germany. We are proud to presenting you today a new part of our product line, Bioactive Copper. Copper was out of our mind for a long time. Copper used to be a part of our daily life for decades, for centuries. People used copper for cooking. Grandma had the copper dishes. We had the water pipelines made of copper. Nowadays, if we investigate in the whole blood, we detect severe deficiency in many patients who are of copper. Of course, nothing can replace a healthy diet. However, in certain circumstances, it's necessary to have a good product with a good bioavailability, without any preservative, without any additional substances, like the product of copper of QG Nature product. Copper has many different effects in our cellular metabolism. Copper is part of the respiratory chain within the mitochondria, the powerhouses of our cell. Without copper, we can't produce sufficient amount of ATP, adenosine triphosphate, the energy substance of our cell. Without copper, we run the risk to develop anemia. Many forms of anemia depend on supplementation of copper. Copper is important for the cartilage, for the bones. Some forms of osteoporosis can be caused by copper deficiency. So, by remembering of all these facts, taking into account that copper is much more often deficient nowadays, we developed a substance with good uptake, high purity, to the benefit of you and your patients. Stay healthy. Best wishes from Senden, Germany.